Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today for David in New Jersey on this Galaxy 2547. We did a simple frequency modification using a few added switches in the back. I want to keep everything up here factory, so you can switch those switches in the back and change your freaks. I also have a clarifier mod here, so when I push this in, this guy enables. This one goes way up and way down. Okay. And a tune-up here. David over here. I got 10 watts across the top. Let me turn the power all the way down for a minute. Comes in about 1 watt. Roll that to the right. Get about 5 watts. Let's turn this radio up. 50 watt slug on the peak reading. 30 watts right there.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check.
And we'll go to sideband. Turn that down. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. Okay, then put on the antenna. Hey, breaker 19 for radio check. How about it, 19? Is this radio getting out? Come on.
The radio doing a fine job, driver.
I appreciate it, Airhand. Appreciate it very much. You have a fine day. Drive safe out there.
You too, man. It's just not a lot of people using the radio down here today, right?
Yeah, it's been pretty quiet.